Every coastal home eventually faces the same ugly trade-off. Bolt metal shutters over every window, or risk them shattering in a storm. Except that's not actually true anymore, and most homeowners never find out until after they've already paid for the shutters. Impact-rated windows aren't just thicker glass. They're a sandwich. 2 layers of glass bonded to a plastic interlayer in between. So when the outer layer breaks, the whole pane stays intact instead of flying apart. The standard interlayer is called PVB, and it's what most residential impact windows use. A premium option called SGP holds roughly twice the load and 5 times the tear strength of PVB at the same thickness, the difference between adequate and genuinely overbuilt. These windows are rated by something called design pressure, DP for short. Standard coastal zones typically call for DP 50 or higher. High-velocity hurricane zones push that to DP 70 or more. The rating comes from real testing, a 9-pound piece of lumber fired at the glass at 50 feet per second, then 9,000 cycles of pressure simulating a sustained storm. Here's the part that actually replaces the shutters. A properly certified impact window, carrying the right product approval, counts as its own opening protection under code. No separate shutter required on that window at all. But the glass is only half the system. Codes require the entire assembly, glass, interlayer, and frame, to be tested and approved together. A storm-rated pane means nothing if the wall and header around it aren't built to hold it in place. The result is a home that's fully code compliant in a hurricane zone, without a single metal shutter in sight. The protection is just built into the window itself.